Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a fantastic tutorial in how to remove dark circles from the eyes. It's very easy to do that. It's a fantastic way to achieve a fantastic result and very fast. First of all, we have our image. We're gonna try to remove some darker areas on this image. We're gonna duplicate our layer, Command J, and after that we're gonna go to Filter, convert to Smart Filter. We convert the layer to Smart Object, and we go to Filter, Header, IPS. My advice, it's the value of pixels, it's between 4 and 5. I choose 4.7, okay? We're gonna change the blending mode to overlay. It's very important to do that. We're gonna increase the sharp on the image. After that, we're gonna add a blank layer and we're gonna make a clipping mask. If we click on Alt key and we pass the cursor between these layers, this gives us this kind of sign, and we click, we make a clipping mask, okay? And after that, we're gonna choose the Eyedropper Tool, okay? It's very important to put the Eyedropper Tool 5x5 average, okay, and on a sample, current and below, okay. It's very important to do that. We're gonna pick up the brush tool, the opacity 100%, flow something around 2 or 5%. We're gonna pick up the Alt tool and we choose a brighter area on the skin near to the darker area, and we paint a little bit on this image. It's very simple and easy, okay? This really can help you to improve a lot your image and the quality of retouching images. This kind of technique remove the darker cycles on the eyes very fast. Make a group of our layers to see what happens. And we have here this, and after that we have this. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and subscribe and share with your friends and the people that really love to learn with me. Thank you guys, bye bye.